Carlito Galvez Jr., born December 12, 1962, is a retired Philippine Army general who became presidential advisor on peace, reconciliation, and unity in 2023. He had served as PAPRU since 2018, briefly stepping down in January 2023 to serve as Senior Undersecretary and Officer in charge of the Department of National Defense, before being reappointed once more as PAPRU in June of the same year. He also served as the chief implementer of the Philippines' declared national policy against COVID-19. In November 2020, he was appointed the country's COVID-19 vaccine czar and was responsible for leading the government's efforts in bringing into the country about 245.23 million doses of COVID-19 vaccines as of May 2022, beginning in 2021 despite the global vaccine shortage. Prior to this, he also previously served as the 50th Chief of Staff of the Armed Forces of the Philippines from April to December 2018. A member of the PMA Sandiwa class of 1985, Galvez was also trained in airborne, intelligence, and special operations, particularly in the 1st Scout Ranger Regiment. Galvez received his master's degree in project management in the University of New South Wales, Australia, and took the executive education program in Harvard University in Massachusetts. Galvez also has a specialty on humanitarian assistance, strategic management, and peace-building negotiations. Galvez also attended the Asian Institute of Management Center for Bridging Leadership, the Infantry Officer Advanced Course in Fort Benning, Georgia, the Military Operation Research Symposium in Singapore, the Crisis Management Course in Hawaii, the Counterterrorism Conference in the National Defense University in Washington, D.C., the Rules of Engagement in San Remo, Italy, and the AFP Command and Staff College Class 47, where he served as class president and valedictorian. On December 12, 2018, Galvez was appointed by President Rodrigo Duterte as presidential advisor on the peace process after the previous office holder, Jesus Dureza, resigned amid a corruption scandal. He is a staunch advocate of the peace process with the Moro Front and has been well received by many Bangsamoro stakeholders. After President Duterte's term ended, Galvez remained presidential advisor under a holdover capacity until President Bongbong Marcos either appoints a new official or reappoints him to the post. After his time as officer in charge of the Department of National Defense, Galvez was reappointed by Marcos as presidential advisor on the peace process on June 26, 2023. He was also appointed the Philippines' representative to the June 2024 Ukraine Peace Summit in Switzerland. personal life, Galvez is married to Marissa M. Pascua, an international flight purser of Philippine Airlines. They have a daughter, Mary Frances Theres. For more interesting personalities, please do watch our other Who's Who series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the amazing world of 1000 Vlogs.